Hi everybody, welcome to Miles Smith Farm for our daily tour. It's raining out today, but it's warm. So come on out and let's check out the barnyard. And here we are with the mini pigs. Olivia there is feeding Penelope a carrot. And I'm going to give Tazzy a carrot. There we go. Some little guys that stayed in where it's warm, where it's dry. Whoop. Ferdy gets a carrot. Rain has a carrot. And over here is Henrietta waiting for a carrot. Do you have any for her? Here, let me take one. Here you go, Henrietta. Okay. Alice, would you like a carrot? Hey, hey! Nope, I'll just throw a carrot there. She says, I'm eating my breakfast. Leave me alone. Hello, little cat. Hello, baby. Okay, so what we have here, this is the feed bunker, and this is where we push hay up for the cows. And this morning we'll give them all a little bit of treat. There's Star, and here's Shannon. She likes carrots. Takes the whole carrot, and we'll give a carrot to Allie. And then down here is Winnie, who is very pregnant, and she gets a carrot too. Okay guys, we're out here in the pasture looking for calves. This is Barbie. Not gonna get a hug this morning because she's all wet. And there's Chloe over there. Both are getting ready to have a calf. And there's Olivia. Say hi, Olivia. Wave to the camera. Yeah. And then we are counting cows now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And then one baby is 18. So let's count who's up here first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 9 here.